Hi, my name is Damien. I am an Amazon FBA seller here in the UK. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some of the big tips that I wish I had knew before starting Amazon FBA. Welcome back everyone again to DealHunters. This channel is all about helping people start an Amazon FBA business. We document everything from start to finish with no bullshit, and that's kind of what we're all about. And there's a team of 5 of us here at DealHunters, and we can help you with anything that you need. These are the most common questions that we get asked, and we just thought, let's just do a video because this might help a lot of people maybe answer the questions before they start Amazon FBA. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing is, what is the difference between private label and wholesale? Well, first off, people that buy from Amazon don't actually realize that a lot of the goods you're buying is from people like myself. What we do is we find the best prices somewhere, either on websites, in store, wherever it may be. We buy those products based on using tools and services that we have that says this is going to be something that you'll buy for £5 and resell on Amazon for £10, and then after fees you will have a profit of £2 a unit or whatever it may be. That is how Amazon FBA works. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. What they do is they fulfill your goods to the customers. So Amazon's more of a sort of logistics. They store all your goods and ship out based on their prime services. The 2 main routes you're going to go down is either private label, which is selling goods as a brand. So say the brand was DealHunters and you sold hats like this. You would own that brand, the copyright, everything to do with that. You would be doing a marketing, advertising campaign to push that product, which will then lead to reviews and the star rating, and that product in theory should grow if you've done your research correctly. The other route is wholesale. Now wholesale is just buying goods from a wholesaler, getting in perhaps even with a brand and having authorization to sell these goods. You'll buy them in usually large quantity of sort of a minimum of £1,000 an order. Some might even be higher, 5, 10,000. The bigger the order, usually the better the prices. Those are the 2 main routes that you'll want to go down. At the start, you may just want to go out and buy goods from a deal sheet like our deal sheet, or you might just go out and just manually be scanning in store and finding these deals, which is also fine. But the main ones you'll want to go down is either wholesale or private label. Number 2, the importance of product analysis. It's extremely important if you're doing wholesale or private label to make sure that the product you're buying can't be sold on Amazon. You will have no problem selling it. It's not a dangerous goods, or you're going to be took off the listing. It is available for you to sell, firstly, and secondly, it's going to hit the criteria that will generate good sales. So something that sells quickly, something with good profit margins. Here's the tip that no one on YouTube or anything will tell you because they don't want you to know. Don't be afraid to go for lower sales. If you can get your hands on, say, 10 units of something that's only going to maybe sell 10 units a month, that's okay. Buy it, maybe only ship in half, and that it could be a deal that no one else is looking at that could potentially give you great ROI. So don't be afraid to open the parameters, but generally speaking, you need a product to sell. See anything that says unknown sales or 1 or 2 or 3 sales, avoid. That's going to likely be a product that you could buy and it will sit in Amazon's warehouses for a long time, which leads me to point 3, understanding Amazon FBA fees. If you go onto our website, we have partnerships with all of the best tools out there. We review them all, we have discounts with them all. We just give you the tips so you can make your own informed decision. But these tools all have one thing in common. They will tell you how much Amazon will charge you for fulfilling the good. But there is other fees that you will not know about, which is storage fees. And this is one of the biggest killers. And that's what I was just saying about, you want a product that won't be staying in Amazon's warehouses for any longer than 1, 2, at an absolute most 3 months. You want a good that will go in and be sold, because every month you will get charged storage fees. Now, if it was a small item, very, very small, the storage fees is going to be a lot less. But if this is a big, oversized item, those storage fees within 2 months could kill any profit you will make. So it's vital that you understand the storage fees and understand the product that you're buying and how that will impact your sales. Which leads me to managing inventory properly. This is a key thing, and this is something that we've done many videos on and you can watch. I do Amazon on a weekly basis by shipping in about 1 box. It's not my full time, I'm all in on Amazon. I am more into the content creation side of things. But the other members of Deal Hunters do this religiously. For them to generate their 6 figures a year, they need to be constantly managing their inventory and making sure to never let a good selling product run out of stock. Now there's big events throughout the year like Prime Day, and there is also the lead up to Christmas. Like any retail shop or site, Q4 is the biggest time of the year for generating sales. So you need to forecast that. You need to understand, if I ship a box of Q4 when Amazon is at its very busiest, it could take maybe 3 weeks for that box to be checked in. There's no point in you starting to plan your Q4 in December. It needs to start now. It needs to start months and months in advance. Forecast how much goods you want in. If it's a load of toys, I need to get them in the warehouses by the start, at the latest, by the start of November. That way you can get the whole run in till Christmas. But Q4, believe it or not, will actually start in September. That's when people start really looking for Christmas and start forward thinking, and that's when you see your sales go up. So we're not too far away here. We're about a month away now. It's time to start thinking about the busiest time of year and how much money you want to make. And lastly, building strong relationships. It's very important when you're doing Amazon FBA to have a community basis, whether it be Deal Hunters or anyone. It's very important to be in a group with like-minded people that you can ask questions to. Better yet, get in with suppliers, wholesalers, go to your local stores, talk to the person behind the till, talk to the directors, get in with these people. These are the people that have been doing business a long time. These are the people that could give you the best deals potentially for your Amazon FBA business. So it's very important to build strong relationships with all those people. Anybody that's on the same level, you give a bit, you take a bit, you get asked questions, you help others. It only improves your Amazon FBA business. If you apply all of these points and have that frame of mind going in, effectively just being prepared and planning your Amazon FBA business, you will have huge success. There is no doubt in my mind of that. If you want to get any free help, the free Discord's down below. Watch our other videos. We also have just launched a £99 Amazon A to Z setup course, which is the best valued course out there. The idea is we want as many newbies to get stuck into Amazon FBA, stop procrastinating, start your Amazon FBA business, and it can be something that can grow as you grow. You can do it very casually like I do, or you can do it like the other members who are doing it every single day, 9 to 5. They are flat out making their Amazon FBA business grow every single day. Then there's the other people who are at the other end of the journey who have effectively got to the point where it's just more admin. The actual thing is just being automated through fulfillment centers. Amazon can grow in any way that suits your needs, whether you're a full-time worker currently, a full-time mom, whatever it may be. Amazon can suit any type of person. That's why I started Amazon FBA, and that's why you should too. I'll see you all in the next video. If you can, please like and subscribe. Peace.